Welcome to BarCloud, the industry-leading barcode inventory system for all types of organizations. Ever wondered how federal, state, county, or municipality governments keep track of everything from office supplies to public works equipment? In this video, we'll dive into how government inventory management system works and how it's transforming operations. Government inventory management software is designed to track and manage the vast array of resources that government agencies utilize. These systems are crucial for maintaining operational efficiency, ensuring accountable resource allocation, and reducing costs. Here's a breakdown of how they work. First, government personnel input data into the system and begin tracking. Government resources are tagged with barcodes and entered into the system upon receipt for easy scanning and identification. This enables real-time tracking as items move throughout the agency or across departments. Now, let's say a set of office supplies is being tracked. The software continuously updates inventory levels as the item is received, issued, transferred, or disposed of. If you like this video so far, like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in a 14-day trial and walkthrough of this product with one of our experts, if you're watching on YouTube, click the link in our description, or if you're watching on our website, click the green free trial button. Once items are securely logged into the system, effective inventory management becomes critical. All inventory data is centralized in a comprehensive database, giving the agency a complete view of available resources, essential for efficient government operations. Each government employee can access their own interface to browse and request inventory items. For instance, if a staff member needs additional office supplies, they simply log in and submit a request. Concerned about running low on critical supplies? No problem. The system monitors stock levels, alerting users when items reach reorder points or when excess inventory exists. Consider a scenario where a particular type of equipment is in high demand at a specific department. Advanced systems can analyze historical data to predict future demand, helping plan when to reorder items before they run out. Lastly, real-time data reports generated by an inventory management system are crucial, as it allows users to increase overall inventory performance. From enhancing transparency and accountability in government logistics to ensuring timely resource availability, these systems empower efficient operations and ensure complete transparency. If you're interested in a 14-day trial and a walkthrough of this product with one of our experts, if you're watching on YouTube, click the link in our description, or if you're watching on our website, click the green free trial button.